Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm always excited. I have a really nice backpack that I ordered from Amazon, and actually it's quite big, as you can see. So this backpack is 50 mil, and let's open it together. I'm very excited because I was looking for backpack just to put my laptop and basically my stuff. I got a backpack here which is quite small. This is a 30 mil. We're gonna compare it now, but let me show you this one now. So let's open it together. So are you ready? Okay, so probably you're thinking, what is the color? I choose camel because the black color is I don't know. I like black color, but I don't know. I prefer this one. Wow, this is a really nice bag. It's 50 mil. As you can see, it's quite big. Just for the comparison, this is a 30 mil bag. Looks small, looks like a baby bag. But yeah, let's open it and let's see. Wow. And if I'm not wrong, I believe this bag should be waterproof as well. Wow, this is nice. I love it. What do you think, guys? So 50 mil and this one is 30 mil. See the difference? The sides as well. I mean, it's massive. And yeah, I like the color. So what you have here, you have a couple of compartments. So you have a compartment here on the front. Yeah, that's a quite big compartment. Also you have another compartment here, and you have one compartment here as well. And inside there's a small compartment, so this is nice. And I was interested to try this bag because it's got a really big compartment. So as you can see, wow, this is massive. So you can put your stuff here. Oh, this is interesting. Comes with a cable. Oh yeah, so you can charge your phone or listen music. That's a good touch. See here? I don't know if you can see, but there's a headphone jack and a Type A port. That's lovely. Comes. Wow, I didn't check that actually. Wow, what do you think, guys? And this is the back as well. Again, comparison. This is 30 mil. This is 50 mil. I know it's a bag, but I don't know. I'm excited because it's nice. And just for comparison, I'm gonna put my MacBook Pro. This is a 15-inch MacBook Pro. Look at that. This actually fits in the small compartment. See? Wow. No, doesn't fit in the small compartment. Okay, but fits in the large compartment. Look at that. So you can put easy 17-inch MacBook laptop. You can put 22-inch actually. I don't know, but yeah, I'm excited, guys. I mean, this bag is it's not very expensive. Also on the side you have your bottles compartments if you want to put a bottle. Also, I love it. I love it. Okay, I need to. Wow, I'm excited like a second gray. I don't know, it's nice. So this bag will cost you about 22 pounds. I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below if you want to check it. Let me know, what do you think, guys? Do you like my new bag or you don't like it? Or if you have another idea, leave it in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Stefan. I'll see you next time.